I think this is so funny. On all the comments lately, it's just after scammer, even the Chinese or whatever, I'm guessing that's Chinese. The scammers are just, the more in crypto we get, the more scammers that are going to come out. I'm just saying, there's so many scammers out here. It's crazy. Another one. And it just filled with scam. Another one. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. And then for those of you who are not in the VIP group, I'm actually having a lot of videos for the YouTube members, and I'm pumping them out, guys. So if you're not a YouTube member, strongly recommend getting a membership. Of course, the higher tier you go, the more information you get, and the more frequency you get, or frequent videos you get. And if you are in the VIP, you're done with all these mentors saying, buy the breakout, buy the retest. I show you when to actually enter, add at this precise number. Move up your stop loss. If that's something you're looking for, join the VIP. If you can't afford the VIP, there should be really no barrier that should stop you from making so much money this bull run. Watch me every single day, Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm here to make you money. I give you free mentorship every single day, 1 hour. Most people, they charge me. I give it to you for free. I am more interested in making you money than taking your money. Ask me any question. I will give you the answers. Thank you so much.